New channel today. So I'm back at it here with a new banger. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JJPaisa, my main account, and also at Neutral Channel to keep up with the new content coming up every week or every 2 weeks. Been really busy lately, school is coming up, you know, and just doing my own thing in Chicago. But enough blabbering, let's get right into the video. Well guys, the shoes I got now are the Zen Green ones. They're a crazy colorway. And I got the shoe right here. Normal shoe, you know. But you know what I'm gonna do? Something totally different. I'm going to swap them laces. So, the shoe comes with an extra pair of laces, which are these green laces right here. And basically, what I'm gonna teach you guys is how to double lace your shoes in this way right here and in this pattern. You guys can do the right way. I mean, you can do it this way or the other way. You can put the green on this side and the black on the other side. But enough blabbering. Let's get right into the method, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, let's go right into the video. So the first step, we got both of the laces right here, as you can see. But the first step to get these two laces together is you gotta knot them up together. So grab it, put them both nice and straight, and put them in a knot. Let's do one finger. There we go. And try to make it as small as possible so it won't be uncomfortable in your shoe. Oh, my bad, I wasn't showing that. So right here, little knot. Small as possible, like I told you. Find a way, just go like that. Well, that's my knot right there. That's my knot. There we go. So now, what I'm gonna do is you do the same thing with the other shoes, but I want this black lace to be first. So what I'm gonna do is go like this, and like every other shoe, you guys already know, inside out, and then inside out. Go inside like this. Oh, wrong, because I gotta put this over here. So this is gonna be a different process. My bad about that, guys. So basically, you grab the hole right here, as you can see, from the inside with the black lace. Go like this, and make sure this touches that like that. That little thing that we just made is inside right here, hiding, like as you can see. Keep going, same process. Bring the black one over here so it's gonna look like it's normal, just a normal shoelace. It's gonna have a little loop right here again. See? Because if you didn't do the same process that I'm telling you, or there's little small details, it's gonna come out weird and raggedy. Alright, bet. So let's go. Normal shoelace. Now you do the inside out. So now from the outside, like I told you, right here, and it go through. Boom. Exactly like that. And make sure your shoelaces are always nice and straight. And this next process, you gotta really pay attention so you can get the double lace how you want it to be. Okay. Now, we got that inside. It looks perfectly fine. Both the laces should be the same length already. Always the same length. So now, the one thing you gotta do now is crisscross them. So what I'm gonna do is crisscross the black one around the green one. So go like this, crisscross. Crisscrossed it. There we go. Make them nice and straight. Make sure they're nice and straight. And continue the same process all the way up. And every time, inside out, inside out, inside out. So again, inside out for this one. Black right here. See what I'm doing? Ooh, hold it. And leave it a little bit so you can have that black showing a little bit. So with that, yeah. There we go, a little bit for the black. Now grab the green one. Do the same thing. Totally. Oh, hate when that happens. Really do hate when that happens, not gonna lie. And now, this process right here, make sure they're both nice and straight so they won't look like they're a loop. So they just look like nice straight laces. So right here, Grab this like that, straight, okay. That looks nice. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Looks nice and straight to me. What do you guys think? Yes, sir. Nice and straight right there. I bet. Same process again. Black one goes around the green one. Well, that's the way I'm doing it. You can do the other way. Green one goes around the black one. But I'm doing it this way because I want the pattern to be all black on this side, or green neon on this side, if you know what I mean. So we got this like that. Same thing. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, like that. Crisscross. There we go, nice and straight. Same thing over here. Crisscross, and it's nice and straight. Perfect. Okay. Boom. Boom. Same thing. Perfect. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more time so you guys get the process again. So remember, black one goes around the green one like I told you. Now get the green one, put it around the hole again. Like this. Nice and straight. Yes it is, nice and straight. Perfect. A little bit out like this. Yes sir, yes sir. Boom. And one more time before I speed it up a bit, because I'm going to speed up the process. Alright. Laces, remember. Nice and straight. Black for me, because I want it to be the same pattern. Crisscross around the green like this. Crisscross. And it's crisscross just crisscross. Don't tie it. Crisscross just crisscross it. There, see? Look how I have it crisscrossed. Perfect like that. Now inside of the hole. From the outside in. Outside in. Boom. Nice and straight. Oh, fix it up. Nice and straight. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Nice and straight. Now the neon one. Nice and straight. There we go. Nice and straight. Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay. Pull it out a little bit. Perfect, perfect. There we go. Now guys, I'm gonna speed it up a bit to show you guys the final touch up. So it's like that so far. Look at that. Black on one side, neon on one side. Go crazy. Let's speed it up a bit. Go crazy. Speed this up.
4G's on my whip, then I'll let it go. Do it for my dogs that stay on the road. And tell my mom I love her, I ain't coming home. Feeling like no other, perky in my bone. Comethazine my cup, I got hella choppers. Hating all they want, but they never stop us. XD in my holster, no you'll never pop us. No more ramen, but we eating all that Benny Hunter. All these hoes be dusty, I can never count. Always wanted money, give me my amount. I feel so right, I feel so new, I steady gotta choose. Off the pill.
Okay guys, so basically this is the finishing touch. And as you can see, there's a lot of lace still left. Look at that, all that lace is still left, a lot. Oh, look at all that. All this is still left. So what you're gonna do is, like you normally do, just put it inside here, all the way to the top. Just bring out a little bit of it. Okay, there, that's good. Same thing for this one. Just a little bit out there, make it equal. Perfect, it's equal. And just grab these and just tuck them inside. And there we go. We got our finishing touch. Look at that beautiful shoe. Looks perfectly. Looks awesome. Looks totally different. I like the way it looks. Look at that. Green on this side, black on this side. Amazing. That's gonna be the only difference at the top. That this green part's gonna be on the black side. This black side is gonna be on the green side. But that's the only difference. But still a cool shoe. Really cool. Look at that. Woo! Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I taught you guys how to lace up your Air Jordan 1 Zen Greens in a different way. Double lace, as you can see. This was the finishing touch right here. Beautiful shoe. Looks amazing. But one thing I'm not going to do today is show them on my feet. Because if they go up in value, of course I'm going to sell them. And yeah, also, before we end the video, make sure you guys follow the same steps I taught you to lace up your shoes. If not, they come out kind of weird and clumsy. Also, before we end the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. And make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at Ginger Paisa. That's my personal account, and also on YouTube channel for new content. I hope you guys have a nice day and keep doing your thing. Keep positive. Go crazy.